Thank you. Yeah, good to have a clicker. I need a third hand. I haven't evolved one yet, but here we go. So just go quick about Unity. Many thanks to Unity for hosting the event. A lot of you were going, well, that's a bit self-serving. Doesn't he work for Unity? I don't anymore, but it's still awesome that I'm here and the event staff. So huge thanks to Mia at the back, the Workplace Experience Coordinator, for putting on such an awesome venue and coordinating things. So yeah, now, this is the first time in our 21-year history that we've ever run a multi-tracked conference, so please bear with us. We will be doing a lot of Slido polls, getting lots of interaction, so you will be told or asked to get your phones out your pocket, as I will in a few seconds, so have them ready. But whilst the conference is running, if there's a lull or there's a half-hour period that you're not particularly, maybe, I'm not too interested in those topics, please do. There are 2 additional rooms. So we've got the Unity Centers of Excellence team. These guys are fantastically capable and they can help work with you to engage your companies in using real-time 3D and digital technologies for better understanding of the world around you. And some really powerful presentations that they're going to have there. They've also got a general open Q&A session. So please do see Janali and the team later on in the event. And they're going to be running their sessions. They're going to repeat them throughout the event over the 2 days. So if there is a half-hour session where you're going, actually, I'm not too interested in these topics, please go visit. And equally, Jack, where are you? He's somewhere in the room. He's playing with his stuff. Jack has got all the shiny stuff. He's got headsets, he's got laptops, he's got a driving simulator. And the point of this, Unity, yes, it is a games engine, it is a gaming tool, but I've used Unity for 14 years and I've never built a game. I've only ever used it for industrial applications. The power of the technology, you see some of the ones here, being able to take your BIM and digital information out on site, pre-visualization, understanding, being able to do works coordination. There is some amazing stuff. If you want to have hands-on with kit, you are in the right place, and Jack has got an entire room. Well, I think he's got like 10 computers in there and lots of bits of kit. So please, if there's a half-hour session where actually you're not so interested in, or you're just getting speaker burnout, not that you will, but please do remember that you've got the demo spaces there to go and experience too.